Attention all lovers of the humble chicken wing. The pub grub staple is now becoming so popular, prices are beginning to take flight. CTV's Joe Perkins reports.
It's wing night at Moon Underwater Pub, without question the busiest night of the week.
Everyone loves their wings. It's a hot commodity for sure.
And at the wing night price, how can you not?
5 p.m., 1 pound of wings for $6. You can't beat that. We said $6.
We got our famous chicken wings here.
But at Bucky's Tap House, home to the self-proclaimed hottest wings in town, we learn there's a messy reality in the wing world.
This is our house-made ponzu ginger. Over the past year, we've seen an 18% increase in chicken wings, going up 9% every 6 months, almost exactly.
The reason why? You're looking at it. A wing frenzy.
They used to be a cheaper item that were a good snack at a pub, and now they've come to be a cornerstone of most pubs.
Take it from the man who leads Canada's annual food price report.
Well, essentially, chicken wings do go up in prices once in a while when demand is up.
It makes sense. The world only has so many chickens. More wing eaters means less bird to go around. Several island pubs have all indicated it's costing more to bring in wings. But so far, it seems those pubs are eating that increased cost, sparing the customer for now.
We've thought about increasing wing prices.
A dangerous proposition.
If they went up drastically, I'd probably rethink it for sure.
Consumers are finicky, ruffle their feathers, and wings could be in jeopardy.
The prices do go up. Supply may not be as much of an issue because, of course, when prices do go up, people kind of tend to look for substitutes.
So if you want those cheap wings,
$6. You can't beat that.
go get them now. Who knows when they'll fly away? Joe Perkins, CTV News.